In this video, I'll show you how to view a Facebook story anonymously from your phone. This method lets you watch someone's story without your name appearing in their viewer list. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, do not tap directly on the story you want to view. Instead, turn on airplane mode on your phone to disconnect your internet connection. After that, go back to the Facebook app and wait a few seconds so the already loaded stories remain available on your screen. Now tap on the story you want to watch and view it while your phone is still in airplane mode. Because your phone is offline, your view will not be recorded by Facebook at that moment. After you finish watching the story, completely close the Facebook app from your recent apps so it stops running in the background. Once the app is closed, you can turn off airplane mode and reconnect to the internet. This helps prevent the app from sending your view activity after you go back online. Keep in mind that this trick only works if the story was already loaded before turning on airplane mode. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.